Welcome to our video on Telegram marketing strategies for 2025. In this episode, we'll dive into why Telegram is crucial for your income growth this year. Let's explore the Telegram audience, who they are, and their engagement patterns to strategize effectively. Creating a compelling Telegram channel is key. Here are some branding and content strategy tips to stand out. Telegram bots can enhance user experience by automating interactions. Let's learn how to leverage them. Building a loyal community is essential. We'll share strategies for fostering engagement and retention. Let's discuss the various monetization options available on Telegram, including subscription models and more. Collaborating with influencers can significantly expand your reach. Here are effective partnership strategies. Data analytics is vital for tracking performance. We'll show you how to adjust your strategy based on insights. What's next in Telegram marketing? Let's explore future trends and what you can expect in 2025 and beyond. To wrap up, recap the key takeaways for boosting your income through effective Telegram marketing strategies.